Have you ever thought about starting a side hustle that can transform you from rags to riches? We've discovered a side hustle that can help you generate income using advanced AI technology. No special skills required, and the best part, it can earn you up to $700 a week. Whether you're working on content or freelancing, using AI voiceover technology can present profitable prospects. Apart from earning money, it also produces scalable, high-quality outcomes. Don't forget to rate on a scale of 1 to 10 how difficult this side hustle is. So let's start.
3, 2, 1, let's go!
AI has revolutionized the way people earn extra money, offering a unique opportunity in the AI voiceover niche. AI voiceover involves turning written text into spoken audio using sophisticated algorithms, producing voiceovers that sound exactly like human speech. These voiceovers are now used across various industries due to rapid advancements in AI technology. Now let's talk about people who require voiceovers. Voiceovers are in high demand in a variety of industries, particularly for content producers and creators. As an illustration, content creators. A lot of YouTubers use voiceovers for explainers, tutorials, and video narration videos. Audiobook publishers. AI narrators are becoming increasingly common, especially for self-publishers looking for an affordable option. Business presentations and advertising. Businesses frequently require voiceovers for marketing campaigns, corporate videos, and e-learning. AI voiceovers are becoming a popular choice over traditional human voiceover artists for several reasons, which include affordability, speed, high quality, and scalability. The top AI voiceover platforms are Well Said Labs and 11 Labs. Both allow you to train the AI to mimic voices and provide customizable voices to create high-quality audio for a variety of uses, including audiobooks, YouTube videos, and business presentations. Just paste text, choose a voice, and press record. The first thing that you need to do before you start with voiceovers is identify a niche that you would actually be good at. Now, this means that you actually do your research on the most trending topics and ideas out there. This means looking through YouTube and other platforms to find the videos that have the highest engagement and views. By doing this, you will not only be able to produce high-quality voiceover, but will also be doing something that makes you money. Here's a quick tutorial on how to use text-to-speech software like 11 Labs or Well Said Labs. Create an account on the 11 Labs or Well Said Labs website to get started. Then, copy and paste the text you wish to have voiced over into the appropriate box. Select a voice from the selection, or if supported by the platform, create your own. Next, refine your audio using tools like Adobe Podcast to remove background noise, enhance speech clarity, and eliminate silent gaps. Once satisfied, download the polished voiceover for use. These extra steps will help ensure your voiceovers are professional and ready for the freelance platforms. After becoming an expert in AI voiceover technology, you can start charging for your services on freelance marketplaces like Upwork and Fiverr. When setting up your profile on these platforms, be sure to specify the AI voiceover services you provide and the use of innovative tools such as 11 Labs or Well Said Labs. Upload demo voiceovers on Upwork and Fiverr to showcase the caliber of your work for various applications. However, it's important to manage expectations. Success isn't guaranteed overnight. Building a solid client base takes time, and you'll need to stay competitive by offering affordable rates, maintaining high-quality output, and constantly refining your profile. Consistency and a competitive edge are key to outperforming others and scaling your earnings over time. You can scale up to make $700 or more a week once your AI voiceover services are established. Use automation solutions to manage tasks more effectively, such as Well Said Labs and 11 Labs. Increase your reach by using social media marketing and multi-platform service promotion. Think about bundling your services or doing voiceover work for different industries to diversify your revenue sources. Track your progress and determine which voiceover types bring in the most money to sustain growth. To increase your weekly earnings, prioritize and concentrate on the most lucrative niches. Developing enduring connections with clients can guarantee a consistent flow of revenue and the success of your AI voiceover enterprise. Even though AI voiceover technology has a lot to offer, there are some hazards and common pitfalls to be mindful of. Always check that the generated voiceover satisfies quality standards by listening to it and being aware of any licensing and copyright restrictions. AI voiceover services are becoming increasingly popular, so making your business stand out by specializing in a particular market or providing extra services can help. To sum up, AI voiceovers have created new avenues for income generation on websites like Fiverr and Upwork. Professional quality voiceovers can be easily and affordably created with AI tools like 11 Labs and Well Said Labs, regardless of whether you are producing audiobooks, YouTube narrations, or corporate videos. You can set up your freelance profile and begin making money right away by following these steps. If you enjoyed this video or if you're curious about AI tools and strategies, let us know in the comments below.